back to Louis Dutton vlog. Today I'm going pit biking. I am at the milk run, and at the minute it's quite early. Just get my cousin's bike out, and the track where we're going to looks really cool. It's just sick, way. But that's what I'm doing today. It is now a Friday, so it's not a weekend. Got a day of school. So yeah, I'll just get some I'll get some clips from there, but I haven't brought my GoPro sadly because I can't find the charger for it. And there, so I'll probably show you when we get there. Right, we're here now, and this is where they do the Lakeside Speedway and racing here. So yeah.
Get on.
Good. Sandy. I'm wet.
Huh?